Hi there, Henry Smith here from IamWealthyandRich.com, where we talk about how to understand the game of money and play it well. Welcome to today's cryptocurrency portfolio update, where I update a cryptocurrency portfolio on a regular basis. I've been doing this since for just about a year now, and just following the journey of the portfolio up and down. It's not a trading portfolio, it's just an investment holding portfolio. But if you watch the series of videos, it shows you what an investor goes through on a day-to-day basis as the market goes up and down. So this book is more like a diary, a documentation of the journey of this portfolio. Make sure you stay to the end of this video, because after the update I always talk about something of importance. And disclaimer, I'm not a financial planner or financial advisor, so make sure you seek do your own due diligence and consult with those guys when making a decision. And also understand that any kind of investing does carry risk, including cryptocurrency investing, so do not invest more money than you can afford to lose. So with that, I'm going to share my screen and proceed with the update. This spreadsheet I update usually, and it consists of three main columns: the altcoin, the Bitcoin, and the totals column. And green is when the market has moved forward on the previous day. Red is when it's moved backward on the previous day. So we've got forward and backwards, lots of forwards and backwards. We to look through the months, many months. You've got lots of green and reds and interesting patterns that form that can be used for analysis purposes. But anyway, the last few days have been, ever since Bitcoin had a drop and the whole market had a drop, it's been quite heavy. The altcoins were hit a lot heavier than Bitcoin. Bitcoin was hit quite heavy, then slightly started to recover slightly. But the altcoins have been hit and they're yet to recover. So we shall see where we are today. I take the figures from this page here, which is comes in from a live feed and into an asset group, and the final figures come here. This portfolio consists of one whole Bitcoin and a selection of specially selected alternative coins or altcoins, and this is the total at the top. On the left hand side we've got British, we've got US dollars. Right hand side we've got British pounds, and this is the percentage split between the two asset classes. But looking at this particular collection here, so it's a total of 158,509. Let's go to today's date. 168,509.62. Yeah. So that is looks like a slight recovery there of the altcoins. 6,000 in the plus. Now after this, I'm going to talk about some things that hold people back in crypto, in any kind of investing, but especially in cryptocurrency investing. The next figure I want is a total figure, 201,423.99. 201,423.99. That should be correct. Yeah. Down 7,000. Let's bring this down. Okay. So there's been a recovery today of the market. A little bit of recovery, not a complete recovery, partial recovery. So the altcoins are up 6,312. Bitcoin is up 1,103, and the total portfolio is up. The total portfolio is up 7,416. So slight recovery. There's got a lot to recover, because there's got 1,008, 1,008, 21,000, 10,000, all of this to make up before it completely recovers. But it's a good sign of the start. But it may take a few weeks or even more than a month for it to recover. But that's okay. That's all good. What I want to talk to you about today is the 7 money killers in crypto. A lot of people get into cryptocurrency investing, and there's 7 things that can destroy their success that you need to worry about, that you need to avoid, should I say, not worry about, avoid, make sure you don't fall into them. So the first money killer is emotion. Emotion is a money killer. When you attach emotions to your trading and your investing, you invest based on emotion, you trade based on emotion, it's not a good combination. It's a money killer. You don't, successful traders, successful investors do not apply emotion when it comes to investing or trading in cryptocurrency or in anything, really, to be honest with you. Emotion is a money killer. And there's so many people who lost money because of emotion. It's unreal. And they say 95% of people lose money in cryptocurrency. Emotion is one of the biggest reasons why. But here's another reason: greed. Greed is trying to time the market. Is a money killer. So greed is another big money killer, where people try to time the market, try and calculate and predict when it will get to the top, and they put all their money in and waiting for it to get to the top, and it doesn't get to the top. And they don't know where the top is. No one ever knows where the top is. But because of greed, they end up losing money because maybe they stayed into the market. Maybe they say they invested 20,000, and then the market went up to 100,000, and they think, well, maybe it's going to go up to 200,000. So they leave it in there, and then the market decides to do a U-turn and go way back, and it goes back to, a massive crash, and maybe it goes all the way from 100,000 down to 10,000. So not only they've lost 10,000, and because of greed. Yeah, if they would have taken the money out earlier, they probably wouldn't have experienced that. But greed is a big money killer that separates the 95% from the 5% in cryptocurrency investing. Another one is lack of patience. That's another big money. The amount of stories I've heard of people who keep saying, they invested in Bitcoin and they lost money. They invested in Bitcoin in 2019 and they lost money. And if they were just waited and have patience and wait for the market to recover, they wouldn't have lost money. You only lose money when you sell. So in other words, if you buy something, say $20,000 worth of crypto, and it goes up to $40,000, that's fine. If you sell, you've made 10, 20,000. But if you buy something for 20,000 and it goes down to 15,000, okay, as the market will definitely go up and down, and then you sell at 15,000, you've lost. You need to wait for the market to recover. Okay, wait for it to go back up to 20,000, then you sell it, or wait for it to go back up to 25 or to go to 25 or 30, then you sell it. You don't sell to lose a downward trend, which is what most people do. Not following your strategy. Some people have a strategy and they don't stick to it, and they do something else because emotion or greed or lack of patience gets the better of them. So they try and jump on something else and do something else instead, or do leverage, or something like that. Not following your strategy, original strategy, jumping from one strategy to another, one guru to another. This guru said this guru said that. So all these type of things are what these are money killers. Another one is scarcity mindset. Right? Scarcity mindset, having a poverty mentality. Okay, being broke is a temporary situation, a temporary circumstance, but poverty mentality will keep you broke, will keep you there. Okay, so you're not having a wealth and prosperity mindset. And if you want to do that, there are ways to develop that. A lot of people have a scarcity mindset. They don't have a wealth and prosperity mindset. That's a money killer. Money will always run away from you if you have a scarcity mindset, no matter how much you try and chase it. That's 1, 2, that's 5. Doing what the majority are doing, okay, is a money killer. Following the crowd, following the herd, following the crowd, following the masses. The masses don't make money. Following the 95%. If you follow the 95%, you'll end up where the 95% are going. 95% do not make money in crypto. So if you do what the 95% do, you'll end up getting what the 95% get. So that's the money killer. The worst thing you want to do is do what the majority of people are doing. That's the worst thing you can do with your money. Okay, the 5% and the 1% are not the majority, they are the minority. So there's a clue there. And lastly, following the news is a money killer. The news and all the headlines and so-called analysts who don't know a thing of what they're talking about, they're just journalists, and come to analyze and think, they don't know. Following the news, and Bitcoin is up, Bitcoin is down, Bitcoin is dead, Bitcoin is ruined, Bitcoin is destroyed, cryptocurrency is, the government is going to stop it tomorrow. All this nonsense creates fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It's a money killer. People, should I stay? Should I go? Should I withdraw? Should I? Just people stop listening to it. It's all rubbish, garbage, as you guys say in America. Okay, so those are the 7 money killers, 7 top money killers in crypto, and it helps brothers with you in any investing. Okay, but 7 top money killers that will kill your money if you apply any of these in your investing. So you've got to weed these out if you want to be a successful money investor. Okay, and so that's what I encourage you to do. What I want to do is, if you want to find out more about developing that wealth and prosperity mindset, what you want to do, come along to this website here, IamWealthyandRich.com. How to understand the game of money and play it well. And I'm going to talk more about this during the week probably. And scroll down to this short form right here. Fill in the short form, and it'll send you a millionaire mindset strategy and investment strategy. Okay, free. So follow that and then apply it. Watch all the videos 2, 3, 4, 5 times if necessary, over and over, until you can really understand, till it sinks in, and apply it. And you will start to separate yourself from the 95% and move from the 95% group into the 5% group. Okay, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this video if you found this information useful. I want to thank you very much for watching this video and giving us your attention. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye for now.